Hi, I'm Andrew Miller. I'm the GHS Site Coordinator at Emedco, and here's a common GHS question. Are there any chemicals that are exempt from GHS labeling requirements? The short answer is no. GHS covers all hazardous chemicals, and there are no exemptions from GHS labeling requirements for any chemical. The goal of GHS is to identify the intrinsic hazards of chemical substances and mixtures, and, most importantly, to communicate that information to your employees. But it does even more than that. GHS contributes to making your workplace safer by making your workplace better organized. Here at Emedco, our workers, for the most part, use some pretty harmless substances in their day-to-day duties, like this bottle of application fluid, or this bottle of tap water. We require all bottles, even the ones containing harmless substances, to be labeled. If we didn't, would everyone be able to tell which bottle is which? Maybe the people who have worked here for a while, sure. But what about new employees? Or visitors? Would they be able to tell the difference without being told? Could somebody forget which bottle is which? Or even grab the wrong bottle by mistake? Labeling is the quick, easy, and effective solution to all these issues. Labeling informs. Labeling organizes. Labeling keeps everyone safe. Emedco, you have GHS questions? We have GHS solutions.